Oriori, lullaby, putting baby to sleep, for a little girl. In this case, I'm going to use one of our little girls in our family, and in this case, I'm going to use young Ngātaua, Turner, Auntie Ashley, Auntie Tuku's little girl. And it goes like this. Ngātaua Turner, my honeybee, won't you be my honeybee? Ngātaua Turner, my pretty little honeybee. Papa's little honeybee, Kora's little honeybee, yeah, here-wee. And the next one is for a little boy. Now, who can I use as a little boy? Oh, how about Hori? Hori Baines, eh? We use Hori, kapai. Here we go for Hori. Hori Turner, my tamatoa, won't you be my tamatoa? Hori Turner, makaha little tama boy, Kora's little tama boy, yeah, here we ha, kapai.